Now let's look at the next sum, which is find the condition which must be satisfied by the coefficients of the polynomial f of x is equal to x cube minus lx square plus mx minus n. Let's write that down. F of x is equal to x cube minus lx square plus mx minus n. It is also given that the sum of the two zeros is 0. Then let alpha, beta and gamma be the zeros of the polynomial such that alpha plus beta is equal to 0 as given in the equation. Now, if alpha plus beta is equal to 0, let's write this. Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to what? It is minus b by a, which is nothing but coefficient of x square by coefficient of x cube. So this would be nothing but, let's substitute the values and see what is the coefficient of x square. It's minus L by 1. So this and this will get cancelled. So you have alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to L. Now if you substitute this in this equation, you have alpha plus beta is equal to 0, and what is left over? Gamma. So 0 plus gamma is equal to L. You can send 0 this side, so gamma will be equal to L. Isn't that right? So you have found gamma is L and that the sum of these three zeros is L. Now let's move on. Now since gamma is a zero of the polynomial f of x, therefore f of gamma would be 0. So since gamma is a polynomial, is the zero of the polynomial f of x, f of gamma would be 0. Now you can write these two conditions that will fit the question. So you have gamma cube minus L into gamma square plus m into gamma minus n is equal to 0. And this is because gamma is equal to L. Now since we know that gamma is equal to L, we can substitute that over here and write this equation as L cube minus L into L square plus m into L minus n is equal to 0. Now what will this be? This will become L cube. So L cube minus L cube, let me write that properly. L cube minus L cube plus m into L minus n is equal to 0. Plus L cube minus L cube will get cancelled out. Then you have m into L minus n is equal to 0. Send this over here, you have m into L is equal to n. And this is the required condition. And this is a required condition. Wow, we've solved yet another problem.